the north end of Cape San Blas at Secluded Dunes. If you don't know Secluded Dunes, well then you don't know that it's tucked in right next to the state park. Right at a few houses down, you can walk the beach for 10 miles. There's not another house. The dunes are amazing. It's one of the best beaches on planet Earth. And it did win one of those awards one time from that Dr. Beach. So it's absolutely incredible and it's gorgeous, and you're part of it right here at this property. It's got a beautiful paver drive. You can see they've got great landscaping. It's all blooming for summer. One of the things I love about this house is that it's one level living once you get upstairs, but the owners added a pool because they've got a very successful rental here, and a pool helps with that recipe. And the beach access is literally just a few houses down. I'll try and show you when we get upstairs. But they put in the wrought iron fencing. They've got a hot tub back here. They've got a half bath tucked in right up underneath, right outside the outdoor shower. That's a hot and cold outdoor shower. Let me give you a sneak peek of this bathroom real quick. I love it when we have a pool bath. It certainly makes all the difference in the world in the beach traffic coming and going. Now, this is for the guests and their renters. They do have all the stainless steel threading on all of the banisters in the front of the house and the back of the house. This is locked right now, but this is an owner's locked storage area. So that's a really nice big area. I think you probably got about 12 feet that it goes back, and maybe about 5 feet over. They also added this extra decking back here, so you've got a fish cleaning station. If you decide to catch a fish out there on the shore, you can bring it back. But look at these wetlands. This is absolutely gorgeous. Sometimes we haven't had any rain, so there's really not a lot of water here right now. But if there is water, even the beaver play out here. The little otters and the otters, not the beavers. And this room right here is another bathroom that is completely air conditioned. It's a half bath right inside of here. They do not have this open for guests when they're renting, but they use it for themselves when they're down. So that's located right here. And then you have got an elevator here, so you can unload the luggage and all the groceries and run it up to the next floor. It's a beautiful white elevator. So let's go upstairs. Let's take a look at this, because it's like a showpiece up here. I love how open it is, how fresh and light. It's beautiful. This was a custom built home. So they added a lot of details. The prior owners had it constructed because it was going to be their primary residence. And so there's a lot of things that they added that were really custom home details, not just your average box. Well, let me invite you into the screen porch, because this is a beautiful porch, and it is a very well used porch. This is where everyone hangs. This is where you get the views. This is where the breeze rolls in. I've been out on this porch many times. I love it that they have this side covered, this side screened, and they have a sun deck out there. So no matter what time of the year, sometimes in the winter you like to just sit out in the sun, or in the summer you can sit out here in sun and have a cup of coffee, and it overlooks the wetlands. You can see the Gulf out there. You can even hear the waves from here. So I think that's nice. They've got a ceiling fan up above. Everything is hurricane glass, so you got high impact glass. These are very heavy, if you can tell. So you've got really nice windows in this entire place. They do have a gas fireplace, but look at the skylights. It just lets in so much light. Tons of room for the family to gather. Just look at the size of this dining room table. I think they custom made this dining room table. I love the countertops, look like the beach to me. They've got a gas cooktop that is in the island, so that keeps you, you're able to cook and see the water at the same time. We've got to have our priorities. And you know, you get your sunsets up here too, so you don't want to underestimate that. But tons of cabinets everywhere. We've got pull-outs, we've got lots of cabinets, we've got a built-in microwave. They also have a little storage area here for your appliances, a nice desk. The elevator drops off right here, and you've got a little bit of extra storage here, and that's locked, so they've got that as one of their lock spaces. And I'm just going to show you this real quick. This is a back porch, and they've often told me that people enjoy the back porch as much as they enjoy the front porch, because I can see the St. Joe Bay back there. So the St. Joe Bay, this is all part of the state park in this direction, so there's never going to be houses over there, and there's never going to be houses back here. I can see the Gulf from here, so you can see right through those lots. And you have one of the bedrooms comes into this porch, so I'll show you that guest room first, and that one's got a door that comes out on the porch, so you kind of got a little private area you can hang out. Come with me and we'll go take a look at the other guest rooms. It comes fully furnished, rental ready, ready to go, all the glasses, dishware, all the things. You know, when you buy a rental, which you might not know, that's in a rental program that's heavily rented, you can continue to rent and get the rental income. Now, if you decide you want to buy it and you don't want to rent, then usually we just cancel the rentals with the rental company and they relocate the people and it all works out for everyone. So where's the way to work it all out? Look at this guest room. This is so nice. You've got a closet here. There's your door to the outside I talked about. You've got an ensuite bath with a tub. It's got really pretty tile in here. All the fixtures are upgraded. I remember when the lady that built this house, she picked out the LVP. It was super expensive. Her husband was going to kill her because it was a very big upgraded model, and you can see it's got the beautiful beach colors woven into it. So it really feels like the beach. And they have gorgeous tile floors. This is your half bath for guests. You got a full laundry room here with built-ins. Now, this used to be an office, but they turned it into a bunk room so they could make it into a 4th bedroom for renting purposes. That allows them to sleep 3 more people. They made them nice and comfortable, and they just tucked them all in against this wall, which opens up to the outside deck. You've got a lot of windows here, and you've got these French doors leading to the outside. It's vaulted, which is perfect for bunk beds because then that way you've got plenty of room up top like you need. Now let's head over to the other side. So we've got a guest bedroom tucked back here, and I'll save the primary bedroom for the end. More storage. They've got a king-size bed in this guest suite, and again, it comes with a complete ensuite bath. The colors on the walls are just like a really subtle kind of green, and it's just so soothing. Let's look at the primary bedroom. It's got you got another locked storage closet right here for your owner's things, but it's got a full walk-in, so you got plenty of room over here to put all your things, whether you're vacationing or you want to lock it off and keep it for the weekend. You've got a nice view out these huge, look at the huge sliders. They are very, very tall, oversized sliders. You've got 2 windows in here. You also have a skylight that is not open. You can literally see the stars out the skylight, and it is on a remote. I love that. In the winter, when you're here, they have heated tile floors in here, so you get all heated floors. And it doesn't get super cold here, so we don't see heated floors that often, but when it is chilly, it's going to be super nice. Look at this walk-in shower. Gorgeous. Lots of space in here with lots of drawers and tons of light. You've got a beautiful view right back here. I'm not going to open the blinds, but look, it's just beautiful to sit here. You get all this natural light. So super awesome. Ceiling fans in all of the rooms. And I just think that it's just so cool the way you just all get together here together, because that's what people want to do at the beach. They want to be able to talk to the kitchen, they want to be able to eat their food, watch the game or a movie, and they want everybody all together, but then you have the whole downstairs to spread out, the back porch, the front porch. So I enjoyed showing you this house today. It's absolutely beautiful. It's at an affordable price for Secluded Dunes. I think it'd be if you were trying to build a house like this on a lot back here, I think that you'd have a hard-pressed time to build it at the price that this house is selling for. So if you have any questions about it, comment, Live the Beach Life below. We'll be glad to help you. Share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.